Simply Elegant. Today we are taking a classic Rice Krispie treat and transforming it into Mr. and Mrs. Pac-Man. For this recipe you will need 6 cups of Rice Krispie treat cereal, 3 cups of miniature marshmallows, half a stick of unsalted butter, some almond bark or white chocolate chips, food coloring. First, want to start off by melting your almond bark or white chocolate chips in the microwave. Microwave it in 30-second intervals and give it a stir every 30 seconds until completely melted. Now, we are going to add half a stick of unsalted butter right into a pan on medium-low heat. Once this comes to a melt, then you are going to add your miniature marshmallows. Our butter has fully melted, so now it is time to add in our 3 cups of miniature marshmallows right into the pot. Just give it a stir until fully melted. Our marshmallow has fully melted with the butter. It is time to add some yellow food coloring for Pac-Man. So, just add in with about a teaspoon of yellow food coloring. Remember at this point to also turn off the heat so your marshmallow doesn't burn. Food coloring is incorporated. Add your 6 cups of cereal and then just mix everything together. Pour all of your Rice Krispies into a baking sheet that is lined with some parchment paper, or you can use some foil and make sure to grease it with non-stick cooking spray. Make sure to get all of it off. You want to just flatten it down to about a ½ inch in thickness and form your rectangle. Then we're going to place this in the fridge for about 10 minutes to harden so we can cut out our Mr. and Mrs. Pac-Man circles. So I went ahead and added some pink food coloring. You can definitely use red as well. This is going to be to dye the bow ties that we're going to put on Mrs. Pac-Man. If using almond bark, remember to use an oil-based food coloring. And if using white chocolate chips, you can use whatever food coloring you'd like. This looks good. So now I have a circle cookie cutter. I'm just gonna press down, and then out is Pac-Man. The rest of the Rice Krispies that are left over, I like to just cut it into small pieces, and you have mini Rice Krispie treats that are yellow. You want to cut a little triangle out, starting from the middle, just like that. And that's going to be the mouth. Do the same thing again. Voila. And now we have 2 triangles. When you put them together, it creates a bow. We're gonna dip this into the almond bark. And then shake off any of the excess. Writer, you just want to create a small eye. Just like this. And voila, you have your Pac-Man. Let's do it for Mrs. Pac-Man. And there you go. Look at how these turned out. Thank you for joining me once again on Simply Elegant. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, and as always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant.